Today I am into the one of the most sought after neighbors of Perugia. We are into an hill overlooking the medieval city center, and we are just 5 minutes from it. And of course, we will tour together this beautiful property. And I want to start the tour from this really beautiful pool area here, just in front of the house. We have a portico, and the house is independent on 4 sides. You have your private access gate and space for cars, of course. And despite we are really close to the city center, this road passing through the property, it's really private and quiet. So basically all the people who lives there use this road. And here we have the front garden. But look how big this swimming pool is. This house is perfect if you are looking for something really close to the city center of a beautiful city like Perugia, that now is becoming really known among tourists, etc., thanks to Umbria Jets. And not only Umbria Jets, of course. Perugia is a really beautiful city. And this house is divided into 3 floors. You have the living area on the ground floors, the bedrooms on the first floor, and then you have a big space on the basement with a gym that I will show you later, and a big taverna. And I like the view from the portico a lot. And this is just one of the access to the property. And this is a functional fireplace. And we have parquet on the floors. And from the living here, we can access the kitchen. And from the kitchen, you can see the swimming pool. So if you have kids playing, you can have a look on them. And here we have a pantry for storage, of course. Later we will go on that side of the garden. Look how many windows there are in this living room. You have plenty of light coming in. And now from this hallway, first we can access to a service bathroom here on the ground floor. A pretty big one with a shower. And this is one of the main access door. In fact, from this door you directly goes into this hallway with the stairs, and now we go into the first floor where the bedrooms are. Here we have a terrace. And this is a room that is actually used as an home office. And we have a bathroom. And here we have another bedroom. As you can see, on the floors there is parquet all around. And that one is another bedroom that actually is used as another home office. From there you can see the swimming pool. And the hills around Perugia. And this is a walk-in cabinet. And actually you could use this space for extend this room, or maybe if you put a door here, you can create a master with this walk-in wardrobe. Okay, and now I will show you the basement where the gym is. And we are again into the hallway, and I saved you some stairs because now we're going into this floor. And the owners created a really big taverna there with a fireplace and this cozy area that can be perfect for hosting parties, guests, dinners, etc. This is a really useful space Now they put even a bed there that of course you can remove. But really you can use this space as you want. Because this is the same dimension of the first floor. So it's pretty big. And here we have the home gym. So you don't have to go to the gym. It's pretty useful. So whenever you want, you can train at home. I would love something like that. I have a gym at home, but it's really, really small and without the Giza and the machines. Of course, you saw a door from the living is this one that can't be opened right now. We have another bathroom on this floor. With a shower. And the last really useful part that is so hard to find in farmhouses, and especially in Perugia, because I want to remember you that we are in really close to the city center of Perugia, and we have a villa with a garage. And this is why this area is so sought after, because we are really close to the city. Everything is reachable in 5 to 10 minutes, and we have a swimming pool and a garage. And that's the technical room for the swimming pool. Another pretty big space. And of course the garage is accessible by car. This is the part of the garden I didn't show it to you early on. And that's the what we can call the main door. From there you will go into the little hallway with the stairs. And here we reach again the portico and the garden. And this portico and the pergola on the other side, they're pretty big, so it's perfect for summer, for having dinner al fresco or breakfast. If you want the full listing of the property, just click the link in the description of the video and you will find everything. and I will see you in the next tour, and remember to subscribe to the channel.